Welcome everybody, it's your boy Mary on this one, and I know it's been a long while, but okay, we are back here and I have a ton of videos coming. Okay, basically, I have this picture I downloaded. If you don't know how to do it, I have a video, it's popping up right now. So, what we do is just I duplicated it already, so I have to scale this and trim it to get. So, you know what to do now. If you feel subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe, make a no go one member. You feel me? So I think I'm done. Yes, I'm done doing everything. So convert to smart objects. Yes, that's the first thing I did. And guys, always convert to smart objects. Always convert to smart object. It gives you options to play around. And when you scale down and scale up, the quality doesn't reduce. Do you get me? Okay, now let me convert that to smart objects. Yeah, basically, first this stage is for arranging. Do you get me? This stage is for the arrangement and the positioning of all the elements and the players in the. Do you get me? Okay, now and also convert everything to smart object. By the way, all assets used here will be in the description box. Thank you. And please subscribe, refer friends to, and I'll be doing live streaming very soon. Yeah, I'm planning on working that out. So now, yeah, this is filter here on the smart object. Now I think it's reduced a little bit. Yes. So head to camera filter. You know how it already is, bruh. So now add some little texture. I don't want to do too much here. I just want to do small clarity and small texture. I don't do too much. So let me go to sharpening. Because it has a little noise, so I'm not to reduce the noise. Not too much. I won't really need that much, so just small. Then sharpen a little bit to get. Yeah, I think we are fine. Yeah, let me turn it off. Okay, let me go to effects. Turn it off and on. Yeah, I think we are on the right path. Then go to light. We're basically playing around so to know what's fit best. I think shadow. We don't really need shadows in this. I don't think we need it much. You get then it'll be contrasty, black, then increase the black. Then spread a little bit, then go. Yes, now I will put everything to everything. Though now this logo I imported now, I downloaded it from Freebie Supply. You get the link is in the description box. Freebie Supply. So now I just used it as a sample to detect the color. Yeah, do you get? Well, now we'll be using it later in the video. Thank you. So just created a color adjustment layer. Now I'll head on to filter, then noise, then add noise. This now makes it look a little bit realistic. Do you get? It makes it look more realistic than just blank color. Now let's put that under. Now it doesn't really match. It doesn't match. So I'll just head to the folder of the freebie supply. Now it gives you a ton of options as you can see. It gives you the Illustrator file too that you can go inside and tweak. Do you get me? So use freebie supply today. Let's ungroup that. First of all, turn this to white. Nah, it doesn't go, man. So let me check that. Turn that to white. Yes, that's better. That's way better. Then white too. Now I need to delete all this text now. Okay, delete that. So I need to delete that. Turn this off from here. Okay, that's better. Now I need to change that to light. Oh shit! I go back. Okay, just select it. Then I'll make it very light. I think that's good. That's right over here. Now let's go back to Photoshop and continue what we are doing. So now try and scale this. I think this is yeah, this is better. Let me put it down. Yeah. And now let me trim yeah, position that first of all. Sorry. Yeah. Now I used polygonal lasso tool, or you can use any selection tool yes, so your parts and parts. I now remove the other inline. Do you get? Invert that into I, yes. Convert to smart objects. Always convert to smart objects. Do you get me? And let me put that center that thing. Reduce that a little bit. So okay, I think we are pretty done now. Now for the shadows. Now holding control and clicking the thumbnail icon, you get. Then you go to adjustment layer, then exposure, then bring it down. Now reduce the exposure. You won't see it now because it's under, so you can just click Ctrl T and play with it anyhow you want. Now, because this thing doesn't have shadow on it, so you can actually input the shadow as you want, so that it should be relative. Do you get? So let's just play with that. I think that's good. I'll do that for all of them. That's better. This is basically playing around. It's just what you have in your mind. So, and what's good about this is you can play with the feathering. You can feather it how you want, however you want to see. So that's just it. Let me do that to all of them. Now, as usual, I'll cut those parts out. Like you won't, say, because it's always boring. It's always boring. So I think that's good. That's good, okay? Yeah. Thank you. If you checked all my videos, you can go and check it out. Yeah. All of them is very, very informative. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Please. So now, I think we are on the right side. Now the next thing is to type the stats and the names out. Yeah, just like you saw on the picture, right? Okay. And let's see Draymond Green. Yeah, I think Draymond is okay. They just use their first name. And this font I'm using, so you guys are sleeping on this font and it's cool. Yeah, you guys are sleeping on it so much. I'm telling you, it's a very good font. I just discovered it though. I don't know. You guys don't sue me, it's typeface companies. Just do me, please. Okay, I think that's a bit too much. Let's reduce that a little bit. Yeah, it's too big. Yeah. There is that. Yes, I think that is better. Now I have this now typed out. Their stats are typed out. So let me just copy that and paste. Yes. And go to lights. Yes. Put the font weight to white, to light, sorry. Yeah, so that it will make a difference. I think that put that in caps too. To bring it out. Yeah. Just like I said, I've already did all for others, and it's looking pretty cool. Then one more thing to add, the rectangle, the triangle, this something, I don't know. I got it somewhere, I don't know. It should be on the description box if I still have the link. I've forgotten where I got. I think Xbox Creative. Yes, Xbox Creative on X shared it. I don't know if I still have the link. If I have it, it will be in the description box. You get me? So let's do that. Rotate that a little bit. Move it up. First of all, we reduce this size and then move it up. Yeah, that's I think that's great there. No. Yes, the color. Then just like that, do the same for others. Now, one more thing. I think typing Jamorant. Let me just type the name. Jamorant. Yeah, I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. But if I shoot two devil games a day, it will be up to 1 hour 30 minutes, something like that. Do you get? Now let me reduce this. I think going up should be better. No. I don't think that should be. Let me type Jazz Zone. Right. Yes, this looks better. Let me put that in place. Yeah, in place. Yes. I think that looks cool. If you notice here, I moved the Draymond text up. You get, so that it gives a lot of space for the typography and everything. So let me reduce this Memphis Grease last. Yeah, yes, taking too much space and attention. Taking, yes, that's basically it. And just like that, we are done. And if you like this video, you want more, please like and subscribe and comment. 2, we'll be dropping more, and I'm planning on doing like stream designing. Do you get me? So that you can ask questions live and get to know more about design. Thank you for this one. This is your boy Mary. Peace out.